Hey guys, this is another mining app like Pi Network. It's called Be a Network. Do you want to make money online? This is another best app to earn money by mining coin. This is similar like Pi Network. Okay, first of all, you need to sign up on this app. So, and there are two options to create an account. First of all, you can see Facebook, and another option, phone number. I will recommend you to sign up with your phone number. Okay, this is a big opportunity to earn money online. Okay, I have an account on this app, so I don't need to create another account. So I will log in here. Okay, this is my dashboard. App dashboard. You can see here there are my 70 B token and mine continue. B is flying. Okay, if you want to see your daily activity, mining activity, click here, and you will see here your daily mining activity. This is my mining activity. Okay, if you want to see your refer team, click on the main icon. Okay, you can see I don't have any refer person because I do not refer with any person. Okay, if you want to refer with people, you will get a commission here from this app. Okay, first of all, you need to invite a new user button, and then you will see your refer code to for 123. Copy this link and share with your friend. Okay, then you will get a commission from this. Okay, click here, right menu. See, there are many social media to follow this app. Okay, you can see your username and your refer code here. Okay, this is excellent app to earn token, free token by mining system. Okay, thank you everyone to see my video.